The Antonov An-148 is a regional jet developed by Ukraine's Antonov Design Bureau. The aircraft made its maiden flight on December 17, 2004, and was certified for service on February 26, 2007. Designed to carry 68 to 85 passengers, depending on configuration, the An-148 has a range of 2,100 to 4,400 kilometers. A stretched version, the An-158, accommodates up to 100 passengers. Despite its promising start, production of the An-148 faced challenges, including strained relations between Ukraine and Russia, which halted Russian production in 2018. Development of the An-148 began in the 1990s, evolving from earlier designs like the An-74. Equipped with Motor Sich D-436-148 engines, the aircraft's high-wing design protects engines from debris and enables operations at poorly equipped airfields. Its onboard systems include a fly-by-wire control system, built-in stairs for self-sufficient boarding, and advanced avionics. Variants include the An-148-100 for regional routes, the extended-range An-148-100E, and the An-158 for higher passenger capacity. Operational challenges have arisen, including technical issues and accidents. Notably, Saratov Airlines Flight 703 crashed in 2018, leading to the suspension of An-148 operations in Russia. Production remains limited, with the future of the aircraft unclear as global demand shifts toward other regional jet designs.